Did you know that IBCS can also be applied to production reporting? IBCS have helped to dramatically improve the effectiveness of reporting in finance, but we can apply them to other fields. I am Simone Verza, IBCS certified consultant, controlling trainer and consultant. I invite you to attend the IBCS conference, where I will talk about the adoption of IBCS in a manufacturing context. We will see a practical example of an IBCS report related to a production plant, and we will also discuss about the challenges we are facing in adopting IBCS in production reporting. I look forward to seeing you on June 24 in Berlin or online.